Hey everyone, Angela Torres here. Tired of missing out on the Bitcoin wave? Well, you don't have to invest a fortune to get started. In this video, we'll explore 6 awesome side hustles that pay you in Bitcoin. First up, crypto communities. Love talking about crypto. Many new projects are looking for community managers to keep their online spaces buzzing. This is a great way to earn Bitcoin while getting in on the ground floor of exciting developments. Next, gift card flip. Got unused gift cards lying around? Sell them online for Bitcoin. There are marketplaces where you can turn those unwanted plastic cards into valuable crypto. Feeling like a writer? Websites and blogs are hungry for fresh content about crypto trends and tech. Put your writing skills to work and get paid in Bitcoin for your knowledge. Think you have a hacker's eye? Bug bounty programs from crypto exchanges and platforms reward you for finding security weaknesses. Help keep the crypto world safe and earn Bitcoin while you're at it. Love sharing cool stuff? Many major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase offer affiliate programs. Refer new users and earn Bitcoin when they sign up. But wait, there's more. This video is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of crypto is full of opportunities. Word to the wise, crypto can be volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, keep learning. This is a fast-paced field. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to find the perfect crypto side hustle and carve your own niche in this exciting space. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning Bitcoin today. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what other crypto content you'd like to see.